Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are going to discuss about another formula for standard deviation that does not require the value of mean, which is the following. All we need to do is to sum out the square. Okay. Later on, Mr. Tan adding away all the square of all the data, and after that divide by n. Then we minus away the sum of the data, all the data, divide by n, and this one we bracket square. Okay, and this will also allow us to find the standard deviation. So given the data set C and D here, we shall going to calculate the standard deviation using this formula. Okay, so you will see that all the data, 3, 6, 8, 11, 12, you will then see Mr. Tan squaring them up before I add them out. Summation. Then the whole thing divided by 5. Minus away bracket square. The square is outside. I sum all of the data up and divide by 5, which is the total number of data. This will give me the following: square root of 374 over 5 minus 1600 over 25, and it gives me the same answer as the previous video where we use another formula to find the same standard deviation. Repeating this for standard deviation of set D, this will be the answer. Okay, again, you will see that for the data set found in set D, I will square them before I add them out, and I divide by 5, the total number of data, minus bracket square, the sum of all the data, where I add them out, and I divide by 5. So this will give me 6.84 to 3 SF as well. Alright, with that we have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.